Hello everybody, this is Chad Siegel with LegalNewCreditFile.com. If you're looking for public records to be done for your CPN profile, maybe you've gotten a CPN number somewhere else, or you're trying to build one, but you're perhaps stuck on the public records portion. Just so you know, we do provide public records service. Our advanced file for public records submissions is updated every week. We use advanced public records tactics to make sure that based off of new public scoring algorithms that your data has merged with your file in all necessary national databases. When you're trying to get into an apartment, or you're trying to get into vehicles or homes, you need to come up in current public records in the nation you are inhabiting. It's a bit unnerving when you're sitting in an apartment complex office and they're looking through your information, and you may not even know if your data is going to come up and show your public records attached to your new file. Wasting $75 on an apartment complex sit-down going through all the stress of it is not a good time. With our public records service, you're able to see prior to even going in that your public records are posted and that you're going to be okay for the approval. We make sure your data is good so you can move forward confidently. We get people approved every day. We're getting emails and phone calls from people that are really happy with our service that really needed to get into the new apartment or condo. They were dealing with a psycho ex-lover or some biker gang or you name it. We've heard all the stories over the years. We provide the new CPN file public records service. If you need help with that, feel free to reach out to us. Go to our website at LegalNewCreditFile.com to get your public records taken care of professionally. We get your public records done within 24 hours, so we have a really quick turnaround so you can move forward doing whatever it is that you need. We also do have trade lines if you need them that actually post, which can be surprising for you to hear, because we know a lot of people are getting taken advantage of out there, which is really unfortunate. We've been in the business long enough to be able to secure accounts independently, as well as with professional brokers that provide us amazing lines at really good prices. We're talking trade lines starting at $300. We have some very valuable information here as well. Check out our facts page. You may not even know some of the questions that you need to ask yet when you're dealing with a new profile, so be sure to check out our website, even if just for the very valuable up-to-date information. We're always happy to help you if you want to give us a call and ask a few questions to move your file forward and make sure you're able to take care of your financial needs responsibly and legally. Hope you guys are having a good day. We'll talk soon. Our website link is in the description.